Hi everybody, Marco Carballo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video we're going to talk about how to get a business credit net 60 account with a major home goods retailer. This particular net 60 account reports to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, and the Small Business Financial Exchange. So first and foremost, you hear a lot about net 30 accounts that allows you to conserve your cash flow, buy products and services on credit from a store or a vendor or a supplier, online retailer, and then you have 30 days to pay it. With this net 60 account, you have 60 days. So you don't hear a lot about net 60 accounts. There's even net 90 accounts, but we're going to share with you this major online retailer that offers net 60 terms, and you can also even get a no PG on this net 60 account, and this will build your business credit. So we're going to share with you step by step where to go, how to apply, and of course how to get approved. So let's get started. First and foremost, who is this major online retailer? Well, you've probably heard of them. If you haven't, it's hard not to know who they are. Wayfair. What is Wayfair? What do they offer? They're a major home goods online marketplace. They have 18 million items. You kind of talk about, they're literally the Amazon of the home goods market. So if anything regarding your home, whether it's furniture, any type of furnishings for the home, design, etc., this place has it. Okay, and it's a major website. And we're going to share with you not only just Wayfair, but when you get a net 60 account, you can use it at all their other sites as well. So they have Wayfair.com. There's Josh and Main, All Modern, Birch Lane, and Perry Gold and Wayfair Professional. We're going to share with you where you have to go to apply for this net 60 account. And you first have to get set up with Wayfair Professional, which is absolutely free. I'm going to share with you how to do that. But all these other sites you can use your net 60 account on, which is great because if you're, let's say, a business owner, you're trying to decorate an office, or you need some furnishing for your office, you can get it at any one of these sites. Or if you're, let's say you're a real estate investor and you like to stage homes, or you're an interior designer, or if you're looking for any of these types, there's each of these sites cater to a different type of style. There's modern, classic, luxury. I mean, there's nothing you can't find. Okay, on Wayfair alone, there's millions of products. All right, which is really exciting because, as you know, you can use this to obviously run your business. You can use and buy products and services on credit for 60 days, but you're building your business credit as well for your company. So what's Wayfair Professional? There's Wayfair.com, and they have a separate program called Wayfair Professional. So this is for business owners. The Wayfair Professional is absolutely free to join. It's for real estate investors, interior designers, home stagers, property managers, and that's why I was sharing with you how all the products they offer, how they can help you with your business. So you can buy all these products and services on credit and operate your business. Whether you're staging a home, or you're a real estate investor, you're doing a fix and flip, and you need to buy some furnishings for the home, and you're turning into a rental, etc. So how do you set up? And this is great for contractors and trade members, but what do you do to get set up with Wayfair Professional so you can apply for the net 60 account? What you need to do is, it's a free professional membership for businesses, Wayfair Professional. When you sign up for it, you get actual discounts. So you don't ever want to go to Wayfair.com and buy just as a regular customer. When you have a business and you're a business owner or a real estate investor, etc., you can sign up for Wayfair Professional and you automatically get discounts. Okay, and these are pretty sizable discounts comparing to paying for retail. So you get the pro pricing, and that's absolutely free. You could source the best deals on furniture, home decorations, flooring, etc. And you get all free shipping on anything over $35. So that's another benefit for signing up for Wayfair Professional. You get assigned an account manager that can help you with your account. First step to applying for a net 60 account is you have to sign up for Wayfair Professional. So what you do is go to wayfairprofessional.com. Okay, and that's going to take you right to the site. And this is all you need to do to get a free access to your wayfairprofessional.com site. You're going to give your full name, your email address, your business's name, and your employer identification number. Those are the only information you need to provide. You now have access to wayfairprofessional.com, so you can log into your Wayfair Professional account and you can see all these different products and services. But once you log in, I'm going to share you the website right here. when you're logged in, you're going to go to this account. Okay, then you'll see an account. It has this thing called Pro Financing. So you're going to want to click on Pro Financing, and that's going to take you right to this page where we're at right here. Okay, so again, highlight accounts when you're logged in. You go to Pro Financing and click that. That'll take you to the Next 60 application. Now, before I get into the Next 60 application, we're also going to cover this other credit card that you can get for your business with Wayfair. Both of these accounts are offered by Capital One. So Capital One is the underwriter. They're the ones who issued these credit accounts. It's called the Flex account is your Next 60 account, or you can get the Wayfair credit card. They're both issued by Capital One. So on the Flex account, let's kind of go back to real quick the presentation. The Flex account. This is issued by Capital One, and I'll go back to and walk you through how to apply, but I want to give you some bullet points first. So there's 0% interest for 60 days because remember, you're getting a credit limit issued to your business that you can buy on any of those websites from Wayfair on credit, and then you have to pay it in full in 60 days. So you're not paying any interest. You can't carry a revolving balance with a net 60 account. So you have to pay it in full. So this is a net 60 payment terms account. You can make your payments by invoice order or purchase order. No annual fee for this. There's no cost. And this reports to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, and the Small Business Financial Exchange. So for those of you who are new to this channel or this video that you're watching and you're not familiar with SBFE, there's three major business credit reporting agencies. There's Dun & Bradstreat, there's Experian Commercial, and there's Equifax Small Business. Now there's plenty other ones like Credit Safe and Sonia, etc. Now Sonia is now owned by Equifax Business as well. But the Small Business Financial Exchange is not a business credit reporting agency. That's a data warehouse. So what they do is they collect data from lenders and banks, etc., as well as credit providers like Capital One, etc. They collect this data and they make it available to their certified vendors. Certified vendors that they have is Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, and Equifax, etc. Those companies pull their data from SBFE and they create business credit reports from that data. Okay, so that's an indirect way to get reporting to those other business credit bureaus. But they report directly to DNB, Experian Commercial, and the Small Business Financial Exchange, which is huge. All right, so this Flex account, now what does it take to get approved for a Net 60 account with Wayfair? Well, when you sign up for the professional account, they're going to run a credit check on your business. So Experian Commercial, you want to have at least 4 or 5 trade lines reporting on Experian Commercial, at least 6 months of payment history, then you should have no problem getting approved for a no PG Flex account. They do want you to be at least 3 years in business for the no PG. If you're under 3 years in business, they're going to want you to provide a personal guarantee. What a personal guarantee basically means is if your business has an invoice, it doesn't pay, then you as the personal guarantor have to make good on that and pay on that outstanding balance for on behalf of the company. Okay, so that's what a PG is. They still report to DNB, Experian Commercial, and SBFE, but they may require a PG if you don't have an established Experian Commercial account. Okay, they may also run a DNB file, so if you have a DNB report with an 80 paydex score and have you at least 6 months of payment history, they may approve you that way with no PG, but I know they pull you Experian Commercial. Okay, so the Net 60 account, that's what you want to look for. If you're under 3 years in business, you're most likely going to have to provide a PG, but this is a very simple Net 60 account that you can get. Okay, so as far as applying, let me kind of take you to how do you apply for this particular account. So what you're going to do is you are going to go click here, apply now. And this is going to take you to the application. Now, both the Flex account and as well as the credit card have the same application, a little bit different as far as like what you're applying for, obviously. You're going to tell us a little about yourself. You're going to tell us about your business, a business type, legal name, street address, business contact information. Your website is optional. Tax identification number. That's obviously they're going to pull your Experian report for the business. Your number of employees, the requested credit limit that you're looking for, and your billing information. So, and then you just submit the application. So that's how simple it is to apply for this. And it's a pretty quick response on whether you're approved or not. Okay, so as far as if you're looking for the no PG, you're the easiest as far as more strict to get approved for. The net 60 account is much easier to get approved for compared to the credit card. Because with the credit card for the business, it's revolving, which means there's more risk to Capital One. So they're going to have more strict requirements. They're going to make sure you have a really good, strong business credit file with experience, history, and then most likely they're going to pull a personal credit check for you on the credit card side. Okay, if you don't have an established business or you've been in business less than 3 years, definitely going to have to provide a PG. This is the option for you, is you can get the Wayfair business credit card, 2% cash back on your purchases. That you can, not cash back, but you could use it for, to purchase Wayfair products. This is a revolving credit account. Their interest rate's pretty high, but obviously, if you do get the credit card, just treat it like a net 30 account. Just pay it off in full in 30 days. That way you're not paying anything on interest on the products you buy. There's no annual fee with this credit card. It reports also to DMB, Experian Commercial, and the Small Business Financial Exchange. The current offer as of this recording right now is if you spend using your credit card, just the credit card, not the net 60 card, is if you spend $1,000 or more, and they have it up until like around 2024, you get $100 in Wayfair rewards when you spend $1,000 or more. So that's a really small promotion, but it's available, and you can earn those reward dollars at any one of their brand sites. Okay, so remember, when you get a net 60 account or the Wayfair professional credit card for the business, you can use it on all their websites that I mentioned earlier in the presentation. So those are, I just share with you the net 60 account you can get, reports to the major business credit bureaus. I also share with you another account, which is your credit card. But if you want to get away from them pulling your credit or having to provide a PG, then most likely you want to apply for the net 60 account, because you have a greater chance of getting the net 60 with no PG, especially you have to be over 3 years in business. If you're not, be prepared to supply a PG if they request it, okay? But this is a great net 60 account. Now, if you want more flexibility rather than being restricted to use these credit accounts, now keep in mind, you won't be sent, and this is disclosed on their website, you won't be sent a physical card for each of these. They basically, when you log into your Wayfair professional account and use any of these sites, you can use, I guess it's an online card account with each of these accounts. So it does say on their website they will not send you a physical card for either one of these, because the Wayfair professional credit card by Capital One, it's a store card, so you can't use it anywhere. You can only use it on the Wayfair.com site or the Wayfair brand sites, okay? But if you're looking for more flexibility and you don't want to be limited, then I would recommend checking out our business credit card funding program. We can get you revolving credit cards for the business. I'm sure you've heard of our particular program on our previous videos. We do a free review for you, and I'm just going to give you this a quick shameless plug on our business credit card funding program. But the way it works is we do a free review. You send us a copy of your credit report. We'll do a review and provide you some projections on how much business credit we can get for your company, whether you're a startup or existing business. You do want to have at least 680 or higher credit scores on 2 bureaus or more. That's the minimum requirements, especially if you're a startup. And then we'll provide you projections to how much credit. It's typically 4 to 5 cards we acquire for you. That's revolving credit. They come with 0% interest rate period on purchases for 6 to 18 months. And best of all, they report only to the business credit bureau. So this protects your personal credit. Yes, you will be providing a PG on these particular cards with these particular banks, but this will establish relationships for your business to further get in their ecosystems and qualify for additional funding products that they may offer to your business. So go to businessfundingreview.com if you want to do a free pre-qual review for business credit card funding. That's businessfundingreview.com. Now, if you're looking for more net 30 or net 60 accounts, then I'll definitely check out our system, businesscreditbuilders.org. That's businesscreditbuilders.org. Just click on the tab at the top that says Business Credit Building System. That's an actual platform we've offered that has access to a library of net 30 accounts for building business credit, charge cards, business credit cards, funding products, etc. So check out businesscreditbuilders.org. So with that, thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you found value to this. Click subscribe. That way you're notified every single time we come out with a video. Make it a great day. We'll talk to you real soon.